Introducing the 1962 Ford Thunderbird, a true symbol of American luxury and style. In the early 1960s, Ford captured the imagination of car enthusiasts by blending power, comfort, and bold design into one iconic package. The Thunderbird, also known as the Bullet Bird due to its sleek, bullet-like profile, was designed to exude sophistication. From its iconic front grille to the unique rear fins and round taillights, the 1962 model was a symbol of luxury combined with a sporty edge. Its metallic red finish emphasizes its bold, yet elegant appearance, making it a standout in any collection. Attention to detail was at the heart of the Thunderbird's design. From the intricate wire-spoke wheels to the polished chrome accents, every part of this car was crafted to catch the eye. The iconic Thunderbird badge, proudly displayed on the hood, remains a hallmark of the brand's commitment to luxury and craftsmanship. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes elegance and innovation. The Thunderbird's interior was designed for comfort, with plush leather seating, a futuristic dashboard layout, and a unique swing-away steering wheel, allowing for easier entry and exit. Every detail, from the stylish dials to the smooth leather, was chosen to enhance the luxurious driving experience. Ford equipped the 1962 Thunderbird with cutting-edge technology for its time. The car featured power windows, air conditioning, and an optional cruise-o-matic transmission, delivering convenience and ease of driving. The Thunderbird was not just about style, it was designed for those who appreciated advanced features in their vehicles. At the heart of the Thunderbird lies a powerful 390 cubic inch V8 engine, capable of producing up to 300 horsepower. This impressive engine allowed the Thunderbird to glide effortlessly on the open road, blending luxury with performance. Even today, the sound of the V8 roars with power and elegance. The 1962 Thunderbird is more than just a car, it's a cultural icon. Known for its sleek design and performance, the Thunderbird played a crucial role in defining the personal luxury car market of the 1960s. Its legacy continues today, with collectors and enthusiasts cherishing its timeless beauty. The Thunderbird stands as a reminder of Ford's bold innovation during one of the most exciting eras in automotive history. With its unmatched combination of luxury, performance, and style, the 1962 Ford Thunderbird continues to inspire generations of car lovers. Whether admired for its design or cherished for its power, the Thunderbird remains a true classic, embodying the spirit of American automotive excellence. This is a car that will never go out of style,